Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to show you quick how to set up your Buffalo Terastation to use with Debian 9 or any Linux system for that matter. So what we have here is a Buffalo station. It's a TRX 916 or whatever it is. Anyways, it's the one that you can stuff 2 terabyte hard drives into. You might be able to get bigger, but I don't trust it honestly with that much data, so I just stuck in a quantity of 4 2 terabyte hard drives, and I configured it for RAID 5 setup. And what I like about this box here, and maybe the other Terastations support it, I don't know, is this supports hot swap, and with it being RAID 5 hot swap, it allows you to change it out. What it'll do is, like in this hard drive in Bay 2 was replaced recently. You see that my stickers on there are all the same date except this one, because this one was just replaced. Is the red light will come on, you pull the old hard drive out, put in a new hard drive, mash the little function button, and then about 24 hours later you're ready to go. So after you log into your Terastation, you go to its IP. The first thing you want to do is create a folder. For me, I just have archive because I stick everything in one folder, and then I'll subdivide it down as I want. Okay. The next thing you'll do is users and groups, and then you will create yourself a user. As you see, I already did it. And when you create the username, it's going to be all lowercase. Your user ID is going to be 1,000. In just about all cases with modern day Debian, and Debian-based systems such as Ubuntu, I don't know about Fedora, CentOS, the user ID and the group ID is going to be 1,000. So that's important to keep that, and keep that the same. So as you see there, user ID is 1,000. Okay. The username on here is the same exact username that I use on my Debian box. And then we'll go to network, go to NFS, and then you want to enable it. Obviously, the network address is going to be the actual network range that your private LAN is on. So in my case, my private LAN resides on a network, a Class C network of 192.168.44.0. Most cases, it's going to be 192.168.1.0 or 0.0 or whatever. It's just whatever you use. I like 44, so that's why I chose. The other thing is the NFS mode. You want it to be in kernel mode. The reason why you want it to be in kernel mode is so that way it allows the connecting NFS clients to modify the permissions files. Guest permission, you ignore that. Okay, and then with the NFS folder setup, is you'll choose the folder you want that you already made. So like I said, in my case, archive. Then the next thing you'll do after that is go into your Windows, or go into your File Explorer, and then create a folder, whatever you want to name it, just for the sake of simplicity. I called it archive. Okay, so after that's done, you open up your console, and then you will type in this command right here, sudo mount -t NFS 4, because it's NFS version 4. The IP address of your NAS, and then :/ and it has to be mount array1 archive, and then the little tilde / archive is the folder on your computer there. So after you do that, mash enter. Oops. Mash enter. Enter your password. And if any luck should have it, there it is. That's it. It really does not take that long. Obviously, some of the prerequisites are have the most up-to-date firmware. This is 1.72. Okay, this is a Buffalo Station TS RXL 916. But anyways, that's it. It's ready to go. I can modify the permissions of my files as I want. And if you right-click on the file and go to Properties and Permissions, you'll see that I have all the usual permissions that I have.